prosedur. Nanti kalau bagaimana kita proses ini, nanti kita lihat juga ke depan. Proses skenario.
Kalau yang lain
Oke, manometer. Oke.
So we got to know everyone there, and you had a basic idea of what is ARI simulator is about. So we are into this ARI simulation, which is basically into meeting of the requirements of the new STCW amendments. ARI sim filter here, which is located here.
Okay.
And then you go to instructor.
Instructor.
So now we are inside the instructor folder.
Yep.
Okay. And now you can see the editor function here also.
Yeah.
That is a shortcut on the desktop. This is the main software program is inside here. Okay. As you can see, the editor functionality. So now we access the editor function. So the username and password, which is very important for both the instructor and editor, is username is D. Okay. Username is D.
Oke, jadi username dan password adalah huruf D, delta.
And password also is delta. So D and D delta, and then you can log in into the.
Can we change the password?
Can
we change the password?
No, it is factory setup. You cannot.
Factory setup.
Cannot
D and
D.
Delta and delta.
Yes.
Double D. Ya, D. Double D.
And it is on the desktop here. So for future reference, in case you have any doubt, you can always refer this manual as to how to go about using the editor, how to. Okay. So now, as you can see, in this editor, we have all the interface for various. This is for application. This is exercise later on in detail, and these are the various advanced controls which you don't need. This is the lat long distance access using the editor function. So this basically now we will go about how to make an exercise.
Ya, you can
pada layar ini akan ditampilkan beberapa fitur tambahan di mana user dapat membuat exercise. Seperti pada layar utama tadi ditampilkan, kita masuk ke layar editor, memasukkan password D kecil dengan user ID D kecil, ya, dengan password juga D kecil. Nah, akan ditampilkan layar editor seperti ini. Di atas itu ada beberapa toolbar, FP itu untuk route planning, dan ada beberapa fitur-fitur tambahan lainnya yang akan kita bahas secara detail sebentar lagi. Seperti itu. Dan
fitur-fitur.
ya.
And exercise to be loaded, for you in Gibraltar Straits, we have 5 states as per your agreement, and you want to train the trainees there, and you want to check how they.
The vessel type here.
Yeah,
Now
coming on that.
Okay.
Okay, and then now we will go on around how to select. Okay, now once you click here, now you have. Now you are asking about how to change the name. You can just double click here, and then you can change it.
Motor tanker.
Langsung aja. Udah bingung ganti. Sahabat saya yang ada di
Kontainer. 100.
First,
Sorry?
first I will explain everything. Okay, now moving, come here. Okay, and then right click. Now you have various options like add ship, remove ship, on ship.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can add a ship.
Add shape, yeah.
Okay, add a ship.
Ini untuk menambahkan kapal pakai di sharing aja kenapa?
Because suppose you are creating an exercise right now, we are creating in Singapore, so we want to have because in Singapore, as you all must be sailing also, we have plenty of ships.
Yeah.
So then we can place the ships wherever we can add the more ships. You can go on adding because this is more extensive. So select the ship type. Okay. Then you have passenger, car carrier, sailing boat, LNG.
Target ship.
Okay. Barges also. We have tubs. Okay. All these ships you can add. Keep on adding as your target ships. Okay. But this ship will only be controlled by the instructor.
Okay.
These ships which you are adding, these ones.
Kontrol
Jadi pas kita mau pakai
For the target.
Yes.
Okay, and then click OK. So now you can see that. I will show you later how to do that. Okay. Now again, I want to add. Suppose I want to add LNG carrier.
Unship the unship.
Then you do. Okay. Now.
Time of measure that will be indicate the length of row, is it? Let's say input.
Yeah, because that is pre-designed into the software. Because we have made the simulation like that. Every ship has a particular length, width, and draft.
Just put the time of the measure.
So just put the timer, it will automatically.
Okay, good.
This is how it works. You want
No, I mean, the automatic is time measure aja langsung.
add ship again? Yeah, same.
For the radar.
For this instructor, how to make the exercise.
Oh, okay.
So, because we don't want to have very different. This is the once you open the editor, this will always be coming here. You can always. Now these are the basic, as you must be knowing in ECDIS. There are 3 types of display: base display, standard display, and full display. So same functionality we have provided also in our instructor machine: base, standard, and full. You all must be knowing what is base. Base means the base display of an ECDIS or the instructor here, which we are talking about, means basic information which cannot be removed from the instructor. Okay, whenever you open the instructor, this information will always be there, the editor. Now we go on to standard. So now you can see various other details of the chart. The EMC has appeared, like the voice. Okay, and you come here, anywhere around, and the ship is here. You can see the latitude and the longitude. Okay.
Jadi untuk apply kapal yang baru pada gambar, Bapak boleh double click di posisi
terus di double click ya.
Double click di position. Dan Bapak boleh ke layar di sebelah kirinya untuk menempatkan kapal dimanapun Bapak inginkan.
Oh, gitu.
Dengan single klik saja, 1 kali klik saja.
And poster one also at the location of vessel 2. All the ships we have placed, and you can see this one is not separate. Now all the ships are enter.
This one?
0, 0, 9, 0, 90.
90.
Okay.
090.
Enter. Okay. Now we go to motor tanker link and you will close this screen. Then you will load the exercise in the instructor. So whatever you are doing now, whatever you are saving, whatever heading is there, whatever you have position, this will be automatically coming on the instructor. Okay, so you don't need to do that again when you are launching the exercise. Okay, this is why, because you are making an exercise. So whatever settings you give, once you load the exercise, it will all be the same.
Jadi apapun yang Bapak lakukan pada editor ini yang sudah di save, ini akan di load pada layar exercise nanti ketika untuk dipraktekkan.
Okay. So now you are making an exercise in Singapore state, so definitely you want the ships which are following the eastbound lane of Singapore. They go in this direction. They are coming some crossing traffic you will want to put. So accordingly, you can place your ships and make an exercise. Okay. So now going by this, or if you don't want to do this double clicking, and you can also every time you don't want to do this, you just click here, and you can change the position and heading of that particular ship by using this icon. You just have to click here, come here, change position. Once you click, you have basically
Ini merupakan alternatif lainnya bila Bapak tidak menginginkan.
This is provided. This is provided because once we launched the editor, you see always 00. Okay. That time you don't know where is the ship, so that's why you have to click and place here. Then if you want to change the position here, you can just use this function on the mouse. Change.
Bapak select on ship yang diinginkan, klik kanan pada on shipnya.
So like this, you can do this.